here I am going to demonstrate the wireless power transfer principle and its application. So here I am going to demonstrate the wireless power transfer application and its practical applications on mobile charging. So the major principle behind the wireless power transfer is we have a very time varying magnetic field on an air core which can produce an induced EMF on the receiver coil. So here if you see that, if you observe the circuit, we have a self-running oscillator which is oscillating at 750 kilohertz and bringing out a magnetic field of that frequency and inducing a voltage on that receiver coil. So for a mobile to be charged, we have to have DC voltage. So that AC voltage being induced is rectified and is brought to DC for 5 volt for charging the battery. So here I have a setup which is having a self-running oscillator of the same kind as shown in this left part of circuit, and here I am having the receiver coil with the rectifier circuit. So if you observe, if I bring this receiver coil over here, the mobile has started charging. So if I remove it, there is no charging happening, and now that we can see that charging of mobile is happening if we have a rectifier of the place there. It is not charging. So we can see that the charging happens when the field gets linked with the receiver coil and generate an AC, so that it gets rectified for 5 volt DC. So this is what the principle of wireless power transfer in mobile chargers.